Welcome to Spiritual Swarnathri YouTube channel. This channel is on spirituality and healing. I welcome all of you to on this channel. All the newcomers, thank you for subscribing and also go through all my videos in my channel. I have more than 100 videos to be listened, and some of them are in different languages. You can choose which language you would like to listen to. And anybody who is visiting for the first time, thank you for dropping into this channel, and I welcome you all. Just go through my all the channels. If you like, please share, like and subscribe. And today I have come up with the topic of solar eclipse and ascension symptoms which are going to be triggered and fastened during this space of this times. Okay, so I'm going to list on the ascension symptoms. As you have seen my previous video that there is a churning of consciousness happening at right now and at very high space. We are actually moving from our charcoal consciousness to crystalline consciousness. So it's like light body activations happening at a rapid pace, even though whether we are aware or not aware. Okay, so this is happening at a very rapid pace, and during this there are a lot of symptoms which will keep coming on to surface. So it's very important to identify them, be in awareness with them, so that we don't decide or take some decisions which are not required at this time, because planetary positions are not in our favor for having a material life or material changes in our life. So this is very important that we don't judge the things on the face of it. There are deeper meanings which are happening. There is deeper changes which are happening at the consciousness level. So it's very important that it is recognized and we operate from fulcrum point. Okay, so these are the symptoms which I have observed in myself. Also I am observing in the soul community groups and all, and other people and all. So first thing is the depression. You will start feeling depressed feelings and all. There will be anxiety attacks, panic attacks. There will be hysteria, that is the extra emotion. Suddenly you will see that sudden force of some emotions are coming up, and those are materializing at your physical level. So that is what happened to the actor recently. So don't go with the present emotions, because they are actually illusionary things which are getting created right now. Don't ever get into the present emotions and take any decisions based on that. Okay, these are illusionary in nature. Now to shift your awareness, so don't take any material decisions based on that or anything which is related to your life. Okay, you feel cravings. You will feel like eating sugary items, low sugar, aches and pains in your body, upper chakras, especially shoulder and above neck area. You may have pains, and because your old patterns, everything is getting released, so you may have aches and pains in the body. You may feel very sleepy all the time. You don't want to get up from the bed, because your light body activations are happening and light codes are getting activated in your body, so you don't want to get up and you're in deep sleep state. There is a lot of healing happening, so be kind to yourself. There will be heart pains and palpitations, especially twin flames and people on spiritual journey. You will have heart pains, palpitations. There may be diarrhea, loose motions, or itchy skin happening all over the body. Any eruptions and all are common. You may be going through emotional turmoil. You may not know why you are weeping or why you are crying, but it is just happening because all the old patterns are getting released. There will be hot flashes in the body. Your feet may feel very cold. Even I have observed this. My body is getting colder sometimes, and again suddenly it is becoming warmer. So these are all common signs where your body is actually coping up with the new energy which is filling inside you. That is a new light body activation happening in your body. You may get some vivid dreams, some dreams which you are totally not in alignment or not in receptive state, but make a note of all these dreams. Probably they have some significance towards your life. So you may get a lot of dreams, and you may find vertigo or dizziness. This I have also observed, that there is a lot of vertigo and dizziness feeling in the head, and you have blurred vision possibilities there, because I have also gone through all these kind of things, which whatever I'm sharing here, most of them I have also faced. And you may have blurry vision and itchy eyes may itch without any reason. There will be memory loss, like you may tend to forget short term memory loss, something which is very important you have forgotten actually to do, or you have done it and you don't know. Okay, so that memory loss can happen. Sometimes you're forgetting what you did or what needs to be done. Okay, so you don't know what needs to be done, and you are forgetting your own schedule of work or something. It's very common now. disorientation feeling from the reality. Sometimes you feel that you're so not connected with this material world, or whatever is happening is something which is totally out of your expectation or your vision. So don't think it is all that is true what has been shown to you. And there is an energy shift happening. It is happening with everyone. So stay tuned, don't panic for anything what is happening. There will be soul loss or identity loss also, because a soul is already aware that the consciousness is shifting. So there will be chances that your soul is walking away from your body. It doesn't want to take any transformation procedures which are little painful. The false identities are falling off, so ego is also going away. So your body may feel that it's better to go away from the present vessel. So there is a soul loss happening. So always do the affirmation which I have given in my previous video. I integrate my scattered personalities back to my physical body. Keep saying this. I integrate my scattered personalities back to my physical body. Okay, keep saying it so that the soul loss is again getting back into your physical self. There will be out of body experiences. There could be out of body experiences also, floating experience during meditation or otherwise also. You may be feeling like floating, out of body, you are moving it up. That is also because so much is happening around. So it is very common to feel all this. If you are a clear audience, or you have a hearing, you are hearing nada or other angelic voices, you may try to hear those things. It's becoming quite more intense for me. From past 2-3 days I am hearing now and then the tinnitus kind of a sounds, light codes which I am not able to understand, but definitely I am trying to integrate it into my personality. Okay, there will be many attacks. Your anger may become more without any reason. It could be a simple thing, but you are becoming very angry on certain things. There is loss of enthusiasm, like you don't want to do anything, you want to just lie down, you don't want to get up from your bed. That is also very common now when there is a light body activation happening, because already your body is undergoing so much of change. Okay, and there is always a longing to go back to the source light. So you want to go back to the divine light, or you just want to give up this materialistic life. So this is all common, but this is not going to be permanent. This is a change which is happening in your inside you. There is a false identities which are going away. So be in complete surrenderance to the situation and changes which are happening. Don't resist the change. Lot of old patterns and old relationships, old jobs, everything which is not related and not in alignment with your soul plan is also going to go out of your life. So don't resist the change, just flow with the energy. If you resist the change, the pressure will be much more onto your mental, emotional body level, and that is going to create more pain to you. Okay, so let everything what is happening, let it happen. It's not only at your personal level, it's happening at all levels. I said it is happening at your personal level, social level and universal level. So everything, all karmas, everything is changing. Every bit of the consciousness at every level it's changing. It's not only you, everybody is going to face this. And solar eclipse is happening on Mrigashira Nakshatra, but not only those people, consciousness is shifting at all levels. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, and you may wake up at odd hours in the morning, early morning. That's good. That is also a sign. And your sensitivity to things will change, like what is happening in society. Everything is going to trigger you very fast. Okay, which was not may or may not happen before. Now you will get triggered by every incident which is happening outside the world, outside of yourself. Okay, now the Stargate portals are open. So this is the best time to work on yourself, do inner work, healing self, helping others heal, showing light to others is very important. Spread this message of meditation and self spiritual practices to be done during this time. Already the effect, I told you that any cosmic event like Grahan is happening, already it has happened 48 days or before in the subtle level. So after that only it is happening at the physical level. So already it is happened at subtle level. The effects of it already we are going through. We may not be consciously aware of it, but it is happening. Okay, and now it is going to go intense even after the eclipse. So things will change haywire. Many things will happen. Stay neutral, operate from fulcrum point, keep in your awareness. Okay, do's and don'ts. Please don't take any decision, any important decisions. Don't get into any argument with anyone. Just let it go, let it flow how it is happening. People will get suspicious about everybody's else activities, or they may try to trigger you with by putting your character at stake, or they may find you suspicious or anything. Don't stay in any fixed thinking pattern. Okay, don't be in that thinking pattern. Just allow everything to happen the way it is designed by the divine will. Okay, avoid negative people. Don't stay with negative people. Anybody who is narcissistic personality or something, please stay away from people. Don't talk. Practice silence meditation. These people are going to pull your energy down, because there is a spiritual war happening where darker energies are playing by getting into your aura, either through you or third party entity attacks. So don't get into negative people's talk. Okay, I have observed, if I talk with anybody over the phone also for few minutes, if the person is very negative, aura is very dark, I can see the impression of it happening onto me, and I sense I become very sensitive to that kind of a people. Okay, so I have seen this. So stay away from talking to negative people, and also over the phone also try to practice silence meditation. Be with the soul group people, same pattern thinking. If you don't know, please connect with Partha sir or somebody, Parthasarathi sir, who is having a YouTube channel on spirituality and awareness, truth seekers. Okay, so if you are a real truth seeker, we can get connected, and we can be a support to each other. We all are scattered at different places for a purpose. All the souls who are actually located at different points of places on Mother Earth is for a purpose. No souls who are of the same frequency are together. It's because it's a divine will. It was supposed to happen like that. If you observe in your family, you will be the only person who is more spiritual or who is more connected to the divine source. Other people are sleeping souls or unawakened state or programs. Okay, so they don't know what's happening with them. Okay, so stay with the group, soul group people, because you are going to get awakened. Also, you are going to awaken many other people because of your presence in their family or that society, that part of the society. So stay connected with the soul group people as much as possible. Okay, similar kind of people. If you don't get it, at least listen to the YouTube channels. There are many YouTube channels. You can get connected with any of the right YouTubers who are actually working on light, doing light work. Okay, so you can get connected with them. Okay, be kind with yourself, very important. Be kind with yourself. This is happening at a very faster space. Please don't get into any negativity. Don't blame yourself. Love yourself, because this is a very tough period. As a humanity, we have come very far away from getting into all the vices, and now we are going back to the source light. So lot of negativity is getting cleared. Be kind, just love yourself the way you are, accept it. Don't be judgmental towards self. Anything is happening is just the drama. Okay, think it as a drama. Nothing is actually real. Even twin flames, please, if the twin flame is showing you mirror and showing you something, some of the things which you have to work on, please work on, but don't take it emotionally and get hurt and start feeling pains and aches and take any decision based on any kind of emotional turmoil which is happening right now. There is a lot of chaos happening. It is for change to the new age world. Okay, so please stay patient, love yourself. You're just going through a journey, a kind of a transformation process, and it is going to be painful, and let it happen at its own space, but you are going to be kind to yourself. Okay, during these days, possibly if you can, please maintain celibacy, because your lot of kundalini energy or sexual energy has to be raised upwards towards the light body activation. So stay calm, don't get involved into any kind of such kind of things. Meditate, do spiritual practices. If you are a Hindu and if you are interested in more spiritual religious kind of practices, you can do Rudram, you can do Om Namah Shivaya jap, and you can also do mantras related to Durga, goddess Durga. Okay, this nakshatra, where the Mrigashira nakshatra, where this all grahan is happening, all the conjunction is happening, is actually related to a deer. Okay, Mrigashira is a meaning a deer. A deer is known for its illusion that the essence or the scent is outside him, outside its body. It starts searching everywhere, but actually the essence or the sense of its fragrance is in its own navel, okay, which is the soul, which symbolically says that you have all the essence and fragrance in your soul which is inside you, okay, but you are actually searching outside. It is very meek and very what do you say, it is very unaware of the thing that everything is inside it. So deer keeps running here and there searching for things around, but actually the essence of the soul or anything is inside us only. So like deer only, we are searching outside for our happiness, peace and love, but actually everything is inside you. So Mrigashira Nakshatra is going to be a big eye opener for everybody, that everything is inside you, there is nothing outside. It's an illusionary world. So this is happening for a purpose. This is a divine will which is happening for a purpose. So go inside you and you are going to shift your frequency from outside world to inside yourself, which is actually going to raise your frequency to 5th dimensional frequency and consciousness, which is peace and love. Okay, stay focused on your inner consciousness, raise your inner vibration. Okay, and Mrigashira Nakshatra is supposed to be goddess Parvati's nakshatra. So in that, goddess Parvati is nothing but your Kundalini energy, which is at your base of your spine, and it is a time for this energy to raise up to the up the central channel towards the crown, where Shiva is there, where the supreme consciousness is there, where is the divine is staying actually. So this is the right time to raise your Kundalini energy, to do practices related to that. It's going to happen automatically for some, but for some you have to make an effort and surrender yourself to the experience. So this is the right time to get into spiritual practices, and only spiritual practices. If you are planning to do anything material, it is going to backfire you. So don't take any material kind of a decisions. Stay tuned to your inner energy, okay, and do all your spiritual practices. So I was taking these cards from my deck, and I saw this these two cards came up, like Mahavatar Babaji and Sanat Kumara. Both are ascended masters. They are ascended twin flames actually. So Mahavatar Babaji's card is telling about soul expansion. So the consciousness is expanding at all levels, okay, between all things. Everything in this universe is moving to a new consciousness. So you are not only one who is into that. Everybody, everything is getting connected, because you are a part of that Brahmand, the consciousness which is vastly there in the universe. Okay, so everything is going to expand. There are light activations which are happening in your body. Okay, so as I told you, the symptoms of light body activations, all these are getting stronger and stronger. So it is becoming very known that all these things are supposed to happen. So you have to just surrender to the change and all. Then I took this cards from a tarot card, and I saw that the awareness card came opposite. So that your awareness is also could be that it could be lowered because of the illusions, okay, darker energy things or panic attacks or something which is not real. Your awareness is going upside down. So always try to be in maximum awareness where you can actually focus on yourself. So there are chances that there could be a situation or relationships which are going to come into your space where your awareness could go wrong, okay, but stay put there. It is not the final thing, okay. Don't take any decision, just be aware that it's just a drama which is happening. Don't quit, don't react, keep silence and respond with silence and highest of awareness, okay. This is all going to change. A new personality, 5th dimensional, see, charcoal personality is going to transform into 5th dimensional consciousness with your awareness. So please stay put and be in your awareness throughout, okay. After this, the future energy is talking about maturity. You are going to be much more matured spiritually. This is also talking about a snake which is biting its own tail. So it is going to end that, and you are going to, Kundalini energy can get raised to that level. Okay, so it's a raising of Kundalini energy and maturity. And this is one of the card which I got it, which is talking about new vision. So new projects, new things, new relationships, new jobs, everything, a new age is going to come up. Okay, so stay put, don't give up, okay, and take care of yourself, do spiritual practices, be in the maximum awareness, and also don't react to anything. It's all happening at a greater level, for a greater good. Okay, all that is happening for a greater good. Stay connected, don't react to anything else. Okay. So this is what I wanted to say. Take care of yourself. God bless you all.